Before KnowHow, piece of equipment breaks down and got to use your brain, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that, but you've got to think through the problem. Hopefully you've got the skill set to actually, solve the problem. You've got to then fix the piece of equipment and then get back to work. Now with KnowHow, the ability is just to search, just like you would on any sort of search engine. You go in there, you search for the process, you pull it up, and you've got step-by-step guide, you've got photos. It's very simple. It takes the thinking away from it and just means you can get back up to generating revenue quicker. We've got a lot of processes, so we need to make sure that when our guys primarily are out in the field and something goes wrong, because it's no surprise, equipment breaks, we got to make sure that they have an easy to find solution to fix that piece of equipment and get back to work and continue to make money. So KnowHow does a fantastic job of just allowing us to build process-based systems so they can actually just follow step by step and solve the problem.